Hello guys, today we will learn how to breed Koyuki. If you wish to learn how to catch Koyuki, you can refer to previous video. I will be linking it in the description. First and foremost, we need to be in the 2 Island. If you forgot how to get there, you talk to the sailor in Vermilion City and bribe him with sketchy tickets and you will be transported there. Also, be sure to only have Koyuki and Sensei in your party. If you have others in your party like Yuka and Noah, then you have to deposit them to your boxes. They will interfere with the process. You need to be quick in depositing them, otherwise they might catch on and disaster will occur. Anyways, the reason why we need to be in 2 Island is because the joyful game corner is here. This is the secret place where a Koyuki ability to multiply is at its most potent. Enter the game corner and take 2 steps up, 4 steps right, and another 4 steps up. You can do it slowly or slightly faster. What's important is the steps taken. Check your party again to make sure you indeed only brought Koyuki and Sensei. You need to save at this spot. After you save, soft reset the world. You can do this by pressing this button combination. After resetting the world, you will be standing at the same spot as you did before, but if you check your party, there should be an egg added. If you take 2 to 8 steps, the egg will hatch into another Koyuki. Congratulations, you have successfully bred Koyuki.